Let us go and disturb Watamu town. Watamu, here comes happiness. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, karibu sana, and if you are a channel subscriber, you know the love I got for you. So today is yesterday, and today I'm going on a weekend away, like a getaway by myself in Watamu, and I've got my bags packed and I'm ready to leave the house, and I'll be taking you guys with me to this particular getaway. These are the garden view rooms, but I was not watching any garden, no, so I decided I'll be going to the sea view, literally the sea view.
That's my man throwing down.
That is the room tour for where I am staying. I was supposed to be here with my sister, but my sister is in school. Sorry, sis. So yeah, what I'm about to do is I'm about to take a shower, change, go look for food to eat, and maybe later in the afternoon go for a swim. So guys, I have changed into a bikini, and let me show you guys what it looks like. So this is my bikini, and I'm going to the pool to swim for a bit and then read a book. I'm reading a book, this one right here, and then after I can go get dinner. So I am back again and I am from having a swim. I just want to have a quick shower and I go get food and I'll be taking you guys with me. So guys, this is the look we are going for. I am dressed in I don't know if you guys can see it, but I did minimal makeup. As you can see, let me just show you how it looks like. So this is my outfit, and hold on. So this is my outfit. I am in a denim jeans skirt, sandals, a white top, and I'm carrying a bag. You'll know this bag from Kilimall, and I'm wearing shades. Yeah, like overall that's my look. What's popping? And you all know this bag. Yeah, and then I'm just going to finish this look with. Ooh, you guys see that? See me, see you. A mask cover the beauty. Why though? Let's go. This, and of course a mask. Spoiling. Okay, bye. Day one. Let us go and disturb Watamu town. Watamu, here comes happiness. So guys, I just came back from day at the beach. I was supposed to take a video, but I did not, so I am so sorry. I am so sorry again. I did not take the video at the beach because wow, a friend of mine just told me they have arrived in Watamu, so I have to go meet them again, and I just came in the hotel like just now, so I have to step out again. Good thing I did not change. So guys, I just came back from having dinner with a friend and I'm in the bathroom. I'm just about to remove my makeup, which is not even there, as you can see, and then shower and then wear pajamas and then sleep, and that's basically it, what I did for day one in Watamu.